Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Trust Wallet. First, download the official Trust Wallet application from your App Store. Once installed, open the app and select Create a New Wallet to begin. You will then be prompted to agree to the terms of service. After accepting, you'll move on to the crucial step of securing your recovery phrase, which is essential for wallet access. After choosing to create a new wallet, you'll see a prompt to back up your recovery phrase. This 12-word phrase is your master key. Write it down on paper and store it in a very safe, private location. Never take a screenshot or share it digitally. You will then confirm the phrase by re-entering the words in the correct sequence to ensure you have it accurately recorded. The recovery phrase is the most important part of your wallet security. It's a 12-word sequence that grants full access to your funds. Treat it like cash. If someone has it, they have your money. Store it in multiple secure, offline locations like a safe or a locked drawer. Remember, Trust Wallet support cannot recover your funds if you lose this phrase. Once your wallet is set up, enhance security by enabling a passcode or biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID. Trust Wallet supports thousands of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to manage a diverse portfolio. You can easily send and receive assets by copying and pasting wallet addresses. The built-in D-App browser also lets you explore and interact with various decentralized applications directly from your wallet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.